I'm sure you've heard the news. The year 2024 has become a focal point for Bitcoin enthusiasts. The magic number? $100,000.
Some analysts, like those at Citibank, believe that Bitcoin could reach $100,000 by the end of 2024. They cite increasing institutional adoption, growing mainstream acceptance, and a weakening US dollar as key drivers.
Others, like those at JP Morgan, are more cautious, predicting a more gradual price appreciation.
The market is influenced by a multitude of factors. However, the fact that such reputable institutions are even considering the possibility of a $100,000 Bitcoin speaks volumes about Bitcoin's growing legitimacy. I don't think people understand the significance of Bitcoin's past performance in predicting its future trends. Bitcoin's price history is a roller coaster of exhilarating highs and gut-wrenching lows. From its humble beginnings as a fraction of a cent to its all-time high of nearly $70,000, Bitcoin has proven to be a volatile asset.
Each major price correction has been followed by a new all-time strength of this digital asset.
This historical data should not be taken as a guarantee of future returns. However, it provides valuable context for understanding Bitcoin's potential. This will blow your mind when you learn how this affects the price of Bitcoin. One factor that could significantly impact Bitcoin's price in 2024 is the halving event. Approximately every 4 years, the rate at which new Bitcoins are created is cut in half.
This event, known as the halving, has historically been followed by significant price rallies. The next halving event is expected to occur in 2024. If history is any indication, this event could propel Bitcoin's price to new heights by increasing demand.
Decreased supply coupled with increased demand could create a perfect storm for a bull run. Nonetheless, the halving remains a key event to watch in the lead-up to 2024. Chapter 5. The Institutional Wave, Adoption and Mainstream Acceptance. I'm sure you've heard the news. One of the most significant developments in the Bitcoin space in recent years has been the influx of institutional investors. Major corporations like Tesla, MicroStrategy and Square have added Bitcoin to their balance sheets, signaling the growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies as a legitimate asset class.
This institutional adoption is expected to continue in the coming years, as more companies recognize Bitcoin's potential as a store of value and a hedge against inflation. Demand is likely to increase, potentially driving up the price.
This increased accessibility makes it easier for ordinary people to invest in Bitcoin, further fueling its growth. This will surprise you. Positive economic indicators. Beyond institutional adoption and the halving event, several macroeconomic factors could contribute to Bitcoin reaching $100,000 in 2024.
During times of economic uncertainty, investors often turn to alternative assets like gold and real estate as safe havens. With its limited supply and decentralized nature, Bitcoin is increasingly being viewed as digital gold, a hedge against inflation and economic instability.
If these economic trends continue, Bitcoin could see a surge in demand from investors seeking to preserve their capital. Chapter 7. Navigating Uncertainty, Potential Challenges and Risks. This will surprise you. While the future of Bitcoin looks bright, it's important to be aware of the potential challenges and risks that lie ahead. The cryptocurrency market is still in its infancy and subject to significant volatility and regulatory uncertainty.
Governments worldwide are grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies. New regulations could impact the price of Bitcoin either positively or negatively.
Despite these challenges, Bitcoin has proven to be a resilient asset. As the market matures and regulations become clearer, these risks are likely to diminish. Chapter 8. The Future of Bitcoin, a Verdict in the Making. So, will Bitcoin reach $100,000 by 2024? The answer remains uncertain.
But one thing is clear, Bitcoin is here to stay. It has captured the imagination of investors and entrepreneurs worldwide and is fundamentally changing the way we think about money. Whether it reaches $100,000 in 2024 or not, Bitcoin is a force to be reckoned with.
The journey to $100,000, if it happens, will be a roller coaster ride. The future of finance is being written before our very eyes, and Bitcoin is at the forefront of this revolution. Experts agree. Bitcoin's potential is limitless. Reaching $100,000 may just be the beginning. Claim your stake in this revolution and be at the forefront of the future of finance.